Alright, so I'm just going to show you how to reconnect the inverter back to your Wi-Fi network if you've changed the Wi-Fi in your home. So to do so, first off you select Services at the bottom. At the top you see Commissioning Tools. So below you see Commission, Device and WLAN Configuration. Select WLAN Configuration. Here you'll see your options. Typically that will be your home internet, and then you have connect to another WLAN. Alternatively, you can see at the top there is a blue circle saying scan. With this, if you have easy access to your inverter, on the right hand side you'll see a QR code which you can scan. But with this can be done as long as you have Wi-Fi network to your Sun 2000 inverter. So you select connect to another WLAN. Here in this phone you go to Wi-Fi, so you select into your Wi-Fi options, and here you should see Sun 2000. This is the Wi-Fi of your inverter. You select this. When you click on your Sun 2000, here we've auto saved the password, which is a good option for yourself for future reference. But the password is change me with a capital C. So capital C, lowercase HANGEME. Once you've this done, you go back to the original page, and here you will see an option to log in. So this is back on your Fusion Solar app. Select login, and here you will enter your user details. So for this you're going to set up a one-time or your password. This will be for logging into the back end of the inverter for going forward. So once you get in, you'll see router configuration coming up on your screen. You click the down arrow, and here it'll give you your options of your Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, there's two options here. I'm going to select Air, and then you enter your router password. So you enter your password, click connect, and you can see it connecting down below. Successfully connected. You select OK, and that's it. Done. Your inverter is back online. Okay. If for some reason it doesn't connect properly first time, especially if Wi-Fi signal is poor or not as strong, please repeat the process and try again. One other trick that can happen, especially if you've got a new modem, sometimes you might require a Wi-Fi booster, because some new modems aren't as strong as the older ones. It depends on what network you've gone out. If it is a case that it's really struggling to pick up the network, we'd recommend putting in a Wi-Fi booster nearer to the inverter. And you can follow the same process, but this time you're connecting to the Wi-Fi booster rather than to your original modem. Thank you.